Welcome to Pro Se Lawsuit Center. I'm Coach Neighbors, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys my YouTube channel and how I set up the YouTube channel so you guys could do legal research. And we're just gonna show you how that works. Okay, guys. I want to show you guys. I want to share with you guys what the YouTube channel looks like and how I set it up so you guys can do legal research on it. So this is what it looks like from my side from the front. Now, right here are the instructional videos for each lawsuit package. And there's some other videos in there too that are very helpful for people to learn and understand. And then here's the video review playlist of reviews from that's Coach Regina, and I just talked to her yesterday, and she's going back to court with, well, they're still trying to pull the wool over people's face. And this is Coach Nikki, and she was one of the first ones that came out of the woods to as a coach to help people get the deed out of their office, and they didn't even have to file a lawsuit. And this is my friend Carrie Neighbors. She's also my ex-wife, but I'd rather just call her my friend because the other words sound rough. We're friends. Oh, and she's doing a review on, I helped her out with a situation with Airbnb. Okay, now let's go back up here to the top. Now, the way this is set up, you can go to videos here, and then hit the little search window, and then put in judge. Bam! Oh, there's a bunch of videos about the judge. I'm just now you can narrow it down, but I just want people to see. How about we put in prosecutor? Bam. Oh. Don't wait, learn how a prosecutor manipulates and threatens you. Oh, I love my channel. Oh, so, there's everything and I'm pretty sure this appears to be from the newest. Now, this one's a little bit old. That was a year ago. Yeah, but, you can search any kind of way. You just have to not, to come on the site now with limitations. And you can, Okay, so how about if we just wanted to just learn about the court. Bam! Courtroom chaos. Object to everything. Oh, evicted. The court had no jurisdiction. Oh. So now that narrows it down. What if I just wanted to? What I just want to learn about the police? Oh, there's some stuff in there on the police. Yeah, I think you kind of see how. Now, those are the main videos. These are the shorts. And, do they work the same way? Bam! And there you go. Judge on the grill. So that kind of gives you an idea, Master Judge, how things work over there. Now we don't do podcasts, but we do have live streams. So in this category, you have all the live streams that we've done. You can go back and look at them if you want, if you need. And then over here we have the playlist. And then we have an area for a post. So I post stuff all the time over here. And I don't have a store set up because these people take too much money for me to put my store in there. So, well, we're gonna work something out on that. Now, this is what it looks like from the backside. This is where I do most of my work at or whatever. Or I can take a look at the dashboard. I can see how things are going. I can check and see if my count's going up and down, if my people are coming. And then, so this is regular videos. We just uploaded this one today. Well, yesterday. Uploaded that one yesterday. And then these are shorts. These got uploaded today, and some more are being uploaded later on this afternoon. Now, when we have these shorts, they're kind of a pain in the butt. How people tell me, yeah, you sound like you've been drinking, or you're drinking, or whatever. Yeah, I got plenty of time to drink. Yeah, I don't need to drink when I'm performing and getting shit done, because I don't know where people. Okay, these shorts are automatically chopped up by the AI, and they just chop it. I didn't know how to figure that, so sometimes it don't make sense. Sometimes it's chopped up, and I didn't really like them. I didn't use them, and then YouTube started shadow banning me and doing all these different things. Okay, but they show these shorts automatically because they're trying to keep up with TikTok. So we use them in our favor. We put ads in them with a link to our products. So if you're reading this and it's about something, there's a link in there that's going to take you to a product page. Okay, we care more about that than the words that come out of my mouth that are chopped up automatically by the machine. Okay, because there's no way in hell that we're going to be, on the credibility or whatever. I don't roll like that anyway. My dad was a Marine. You're taught to get shit done. That's what we do. We couldn't if we were doing all that shit and I was coming up in here like about to fall over, right? Ain't nobody ever seen me like that anyway, maybe 2 times in my whole life, and I'm going to be 66. I can't say it. Let's move on. 67. I'm going to be 67. And then, this is the live playlist, looking at it from the backside. Okay, so I think that's a little quick look at the YouTube channel. You guys can check that out sometime. It's time to get out here and go do something. Thank you guys for the value, sharing your time. I'll see you in the next video.